welcome to Jamaica. I love it here so much. I've been here several times. We always go to Negril, but of course you have to fly into Montego Bay, and then there's like an hour and a half drive from there to Negril. You get to pass through all these beautiful towns along the coastline. There's so much to see. I decided to take some video so I could just pause it and look back at the individual scenes. It's just so gorgeous. See all the kids getting out of school and all the beautiful green everywhere, bright homes, and just it's too much for my eyeballs all at once. But it's like an hour and a half drive, and then we get there, we stay at this place in the grill. It's very affordable, right on the beach. The sand is amazing, the water is amazing. There's fruit trees everywhere. And I had a tree, a Mamancio, or a guinea, right outside our room. It was amazing. And beautiful patties that come up to you on the beach. It's the best breakfast. This is fish, escovitch. And of course there's a little bit of wildlife here and there, not a bunch, but I love that these geckos all showed up to hang out on our porch at night, help take care of some of the bugs. And there was a baby, and there was a big fat one. And then I looked up and there was a teeny tiny one. I didn't want to try and put my hand up by it because I knew it was going to run away, and it did run away anyway. But this little dude's so small. He's so cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
Hi. And amazing plants. This is a euphorbia. Gorgeous sunset, like every night. I couldn't ask for a more chill experience. I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica.